Y'all, it is raining, so we can't get off the boat because it's like gusty winds. It's like the wrong time to rain. We're all in our basements doing worse for a picture, so we're gonna get some breakfast and hopefully it lightens up soon enough so we can actually go and explore Cozumel. But right now, it's raining. Y'all, they finally opened the port for us to go outside, so we're gonna try it, but it's still drizzling, but at least the weather's clear a bit. It's got some light. Let's try it. Thank you. There they go, there they go.
Please down this way.
Hola, 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 hola.
Alex was there with you.
Rent one of those for a couple of weeks, a month on the island, and spend some time here, and that's pretty much it. We don't have party like Cancun. This is not a party place. This is stay. This is a good one. Fiesta Americana. All inclusive, reasonable. Last time I heard the price on this one, it was 125 a night, but that includes all you can drink, all you can eat, your rooms, facilities, services, shows, entertainment, so a little bit of everything.
That's actually great.
Yeah, so no.
Good afternoon. How you doing, guys? Everything good?
Yes.
Very nice. You guys ready? Are you guys excited?
Tequila.
Let me know if you guys want tequila. Get closer. We don't buy.
Alright, we start with a margarita.
This is free. That's a free welcome drink. Go ahead, amigos.
I want to blow shit.
But
I'm sorry, you get this way.
more you're welcome. No worries. Alright. How many drinks with tequila? How many? Maybe 6, 7. How many people? 12. 12. Alright. mira, this is not commercial brand, amigos, nada por su cuerpo, nada con culo. This is the real tequila, amigos. So, try it, amigos. Tasting fun. If you don't like my drink, drop it in my face. That. If you like it, fam, don't forget my tip. Tequila for everybody. Ándale.
Yeah. We got the spicy one right here.
There ain't no back on the bus for spicy.
Nobody wants the spicy.
Sitting next on the bus. Right bus.
Why is it less burn?
It's older. I can tell it has like an after, like when you go down, it has like an after to it.
It was like
Alright, you guys, we are done heading back to the boat. That's the end of part 2 in Mexico, Cozumel. It was really, really good. Had a nice local tour, local tacos. Went to a tequila factory and learned how they make tequila. So it was great. We gotta check in, so just hold on.
I'm lying.
guys, so back in the room. Cozumel did us good. So let me kind of just give a rundown since so basically, so we got off the shore. It was raining really bad, but it kind of lit up. We walked around, took some pictures of different places, did a little few like souvenir shopping or whatnot. And then we one of my lunch sisters, she's really good at just like bargaining. So she found one of these tours, and they're like, usually it charges like $120, but somehow because there was 7 of us, she was able to get it down to $30. I said because it's raining, they basically, Cozumel is a tourist town. Everyone works here to do tourism. So we got a little tour guide on a shuttle bus. He took us to look at some local places. He kind of explained how the country is, not the country, but how this city Cozumel is, and most of so there's some local high-end places, low-end places. But then he took us to this tequila factory, and they kind of showed us how tequila was made. Honestly, I'm not really a drinker, but the tequila I had when we first got there, I couldn't even tell tequila was in there. And they mixed it with like Fresca. It was so good. And it had like a lime on it and some salt. Mwah. So we did a little tequila tour. We had learned about the different bottles of tequila and how they taste. The older it is, the more smoother it is for you to take down. So basically the local stuff is good. The stuff that we find here in the States, in America, that has been commercialized, and it's sold in bulk and more. Those ones are not as authentic, of course, as the ones that are made. But long story short, we did the tour, really great tour. We had a good guy that was explaining everything to us. But we really wanted to taste some authentic Mexican food. We didn't want to go to any of these franchise restaurants. We wanted to go to the inner city, the mom pop corner, and we had some nice homemade tacos. It was like 3 tacos for $10. It comes with some rice and some beans. Mwah. That's what y'all saw me eat. So back on the plane. Like I said, this for my first cruise. I'm glad for the experience. I'm grateful for the experience because I feel like it came in a really good time. I'm grateful for my sorority sisters who have been so accommodating and understanding and helpful, because things have been very rocky financially, but they came through. And the lucky thing about this cruise, which is one of the reasons why I'm grateful, is like we paid in installments. Like if you want to we had an agent, and you're able to pay installments over time, so it wasn't like you're spending this whole large bulk. But it was the Carnival Breeze cruise. They have a comedy show tonight. We're going to do dinner tonight and a comedy show. But we're just come in and come in and wrap up the vlog. And thank you guys for spending the day in Cozumel, Mexico with me. I took a lot of fun pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Nigel_Chloe so you can see some of the pictures that I posted. But I'm glad. I'm glad I did it because I start a new job in a couple of weeks. And I'm just grateful to God for the opportunity. I start getting emotional because when I think about the goodness of Jesus, like I tell you guys, how good he's been for me, I just want to shout hallelujah. But that's it. I'll see y'all next time. Peace, love, and soul. Make sure you like and subscribe, and toodles.